like I'm a thunderstorm. Never bend, never bow down. If you want me on my knees, you better think twice. Back down. I was broken, now I'm bladed, pressure man from the dirt. Every scar stitched into my name, every fall's taught me how to hurt. Thunderstorm that never bows. Hear my name and feel it now. If you want me to bow, better think twice before you even think about. I'm stronger than ever before. Kick that fear right out the door. Thunderstorm that never bows. Cold nights in that empty room, had to fight just to stay me. Every voice said you won't bloom. I turned out into concrete. Now I walk on what tried to drown me. Heavy heart turned heavyweight. Every time the world tried to ground me, I rose up and raised the stakes. If you're not family, I'm not bowing. Elders, only you could never stop me unless you